So when did you start your business?
Actually, so I lived in Hawaii.
Yeah.
Moved back right before the pandemic.
Oh,
And
I don't know if that's good or bad.
that's good.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that was it.
What's your experience been like?
Oh, it's been great. Dr. John's the master at the shoulder adjustment.
That's me.
Yep, everything's awesome.
Awesome. Uncle Frank's, go get you some.